Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will again take a look at this down channel, and I would like to show you this inverse head and shoulder pattern once again, and we will also watch the short-term support and resistance levels as well, and I would like to show you the long-term oscillator and the exponential moving averages as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line has already broken out the resistance of this very long-term down channel. Right now we have, after breaking out this channel, tested the previous resistance of the channel as a support and moved out. We have also broken out the simple moving averages with the time period of 50, this green one, and this blue one is the 25 simple moving averages. And now we are struggling to break out this $45,000 resistance level, and this red line, that is the 100 simple moving average. And you can see that 100 simple moving average is moving down aggressively to cross down the candlesticks. Right now we are not able to break it out, and if we switch to the small time frame, like on the 4-hourly time frame, then below $45,000 we are having some accumulation. And this was the inverse head and shoulder pattern that I was showing you in my previous video, and we have already broken out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And now if we again take a look at the target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern, we have a neckline approximately at $40,000 here, and after the breakout our target can be approximately at $46,000, and right now we are struggling to break out $45,000. So if we are going to hit this target, then we are also going to hit this 100 daily simple moving average as well. And the next we have this resistance of 200 simple moving average right now, that is at $49,200 approximately. Now if we take a look at the very small time frame on the 1-hourly time frame chart, then let me to show you first the different support, immediate support and resistance levels here on the 4-hourly. If we will be rejected, the immediate support we have here, that is at $42,800, because here it worked as a resistance, here it worked as a support, here it worked as a resistance in the immediate short term. And for example, if we will break it down, then we will have another short-term support that will be $41,500. Here it worked as a support, and here, and even before that, here it has been working as a support. However, if you are trading this head and shoulder pattern, then your stop loss should be below this shoulder of head and shoulder pattern. Now if we watch the weekly time frame, here we are also struggling to break out the exponential moving average 21 again, and you can see whenever we break it out we are having nice rallies. And if we watch the stochastic, the RSI oscillator here, that is very important. You can see that we are very close to hit the 50 value of RSI. Right now the value of RSI is, you can watch the value here, the value is 48.95. so we are very close to cross up the 50 value, and you can see whenever it crosses up the 50 value, and whenever it crosses up, we are having very nice moves and very big rallies. Therefore, it is very important for the price line to break out this exponential moving average 21, and the RSI should also cross up this 50 level as well. And then we can expect that the price line may hit the target of this down channel that we are having here at the top of the channel, approximately at $68,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.